Hi, this is Hirak Das. In this series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year question, and this question is from Digital Electronics in the year 1999. The question is a symmetrical square wave of time period of 100 microsecond. Okay, 100 microsecond can be obtained from square wave of time period 10 microsecond is using by divided by 5 circuit. So divided by 2 circuit, divided by 5 circuit, followed by divided by 2 circuit. Okay, and BCD counter. So there is a input pulse of symmetrical square wave is whose time period is given, t is given 10 microsecond. With that we have to get a 100 microsecond pulse. Okay, 100 microsecond pulse. So what circuit we have to use? So this is the question. Now time period t, and this is, so time period t equal to, for input, t in equal to 10 microsecond, right? So f in equal to 1 by 10 microsecond, right? And time period t out equal to 100 microsecond. So f out equal to 1 by 100 microsecond. Now f out equal to 1 by 100 microsecond equal to, it's separate like that, 1 by 10 microsecond, 1 minute, it do like that, 1 by 100 equal to 1 by 10 microsecond divided by 10, right, equal to 1 by 10 microsecond, that is f in. So f in by 10. So we can write here f out equal to f in by 10. Okay, now here f in is given here in this block. F in is input given, f in is given, which is also another way you call, this is the 10 microsecond pulse, 10 microsecond pulse. Okay, now if we use divided by 5 circuit, divided by 5 circuit, okay, then what happened, the output frequency of this f in will be f in by 5 divided by 5, frequency is divided by 5 of input frequency, and pulse will get, time period will get 50 microsecond. Now again, if we pass this frequency, symmetrical frequency, with a divided by 2 circuit, then the output will be f in divided by 5 into 2, okay, or equal to f in by 10, and output time period, if you consider the time period, it will be 50 into 2 equal to 100 microsecond. Okay, so we get f out or 100 microsecond. So answer will be, that means we will get from this, what we will get, we will get f out or 100 microsecond pulse. And because here the output is f in by 10, and we know that f in by 10 is equal to f output. Okay, this is f output. So the answer will be divided by 5 circuit followed by divided by 2 circuit. Okay, right, this option C is the right answer. So thank you.